Aloha and welcome to the Tiki Girl Channel. I'm going to do a vlog about how to use a hot Instyler hairbrush. It's versatile and easy. It's a 1/2 inch. It's a one-way revolving barrel with 3 heat settings up to 410 Fahrenheit. It's an effortlessly styles of all hair types, including long hair, short, thinning, thick, coarse, curly, straight, and frizzy hair. Why I like this Instyler is because it straightens better than a flat iron. The round design of the rotating barrel and floating tourmaline ceramic plate smooths the hair without burning or creasing. The polishing action of this rotating barrel produces smooth hair with body and movement. This salon styling is simplified iconic bristles to reduce the frizz and deliver incredible shine, harnessing the styling power of a round brush and a blow dryer to produce smooth, shiny hair with volume and movement. So I'm going to demonstrate to you how to use this Instyler. So the first step is to brush your hair after you applied a heat protection on damp hair and dried it. Brush your hair, making sure it's no tangles and not free. I use this Tresemme heat protectant spray for my hair to help my hair against damaging and friction from the heat, and also I use this Garnier Fructis Small Smooth Blow Dry to help also smooth when I use this Instyler to prevent frizz and also help smooth out the hair more. So the step 2 I'm going to do is I'm going to work in sections of my hair. So I'm going to section the top of your hair and pin it away, and we will start working through the bottom layer of your hair. So I'm going to use the brush and slowly from the root to the tip. Once its hot brush is heated, I start brushing my hair smooth from the root to tip until your hair is as straight as you would like it to be. Wow, look how smooth that is. I love it. Let me try again. Just continue doing it from the roots again. Wow, look at that. That is so smooth. I love it. It feels so soft too. So now I'm going to continue doing the rest of the section of my hair from root to tip and just brush it and continue on and using this Instyler. So this is how my hair looks like after using this Instyler. As you can see, this titanium straightened and smoothed my hair, and this also gives you the option to easily add curl, body, wave, and shine. This rotating barrel polishes my hair to create a healthy shine, while the heat-plated sets help to straighten hair or curls for style that lasts. So how do you prep for your hair before using this Instyler brush? Just like any heat hairstyling, always make sure you spritz your hair locks with heat protector to prevent damage. These sprays were specially developed to help to lock in moisture, preventing your hair from frizzing up and drying out. Remember, always use heat protection on damp hair. If you prefer to use nature's own heat protection, go for oils such as avocado oil, coconut oil, or grapeseed oil, all of which will help to keep your locks into tip-top shape. We hope that you enjoyed this tutorial and thank you for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. And if you're interested in purchasing this Instyler and all the hair products that I use, please click the links below and don't forget to check out my website at www.thetikigirl.com. Mahalo and happy shopping.